Right. So now let me display net salary of this employee. Done. If his salary is greater than 10,000, age is also fine, greater than 50, but unfortunately, he's not having enough experience. Okay, then what should be his tax? Means inner else is going to fail. Experience is not greater than 30, for example. Then inner else will be executed. This is inner else. So I can type int tax because he's not having experience, no? That's why let me deduct something like 300 rupees, and then nsal is equal to dsal minus tax. He's getting lesser amount when compared with the other fellow. If he's having good experience, less tax will be deducted. 200 only will be deducted. If he's not having 30 years plus experience, then more tax will be deducted from his salary. Okay, something like that I'm designing. Then I can display this. Let me copy this. Every time we cannot type. And where to paste that? Right after this. Paste it. Right. And then I have to close middle if also. Even if his, what is middle if telling about age? If he's not having that much age, he's a very small person, maybe 30, 20, like that he's having, then what should happen? Let us put another else for that. Means middle if is failing, so that middle else is going to work like this. Middle else, I'll go with the tax, more tax he has to pay because he's not having, he's neither having experience nor having age, so that more tax I'm going to deduct because he's having a lot of life still, no issue. So n sal is equal to b sal minus tax. A little amount he's going to get when compared with other two persons. Right. Now I will close this also. If he is not getting greater than 10,000 as salary, he's a very small employee, no tax. Let me close outer if, means outer if also failed. He's a very small employee, no tax for him. Okay, no tax. So that what I can do, nsal, I will design the formula like this. nsal is equal to bsal. Whatever is there in bsal, that will be taken by nsal, and that I am going to display here. Paste. Now close outer main function also. Before closing main function, let us do get ch. Close that. Now let us execute, then I will explain. Save as emp. Nested if na one.c. Yes, let me run this. See what is going to happen. If basic salary is greater than 10,000, I am typing 11,000. Okay, 11,000 is greater than 10,000. Age is also more, 51. His age, his experience is also enough, say 32 years. Then 10,800 he is going to get. Why 10,800? How much tax he is payable? Only 200 rupees. Is it not? He is drawing 11,000 basic salary. Age is 51. Experience is 32. Please remember 11,000, 51, 32. Now check the condition. What is the basic salary I have given? 11,000. I have accepted from keyboard. What is that? 11,000. What is the age which I have given from keyboard? 52, I think. Right? 52. And what is the experience I have given? I do not remember. What is the experience I have given? 5132. Okay, right. 5132. This is 51. Okay, no problem. Whatever it may be. 5132 experience. 32 years of experience in salary. So now test the conditions. What is the basic salary? See, there I have given 11,000. Is 11,000 greater than 10,000 or not?
Yes, sir.
True. True means get inside. Control will transfer to middle if. What is there in middle if? Check the condition. Test the condition. Is 51 is greater than 50 or not?
Greater.
True. True na? So again get inside.
Yes, sir.
Experience greater than 30. True or false?
True.
So what is executed finally? Inner if. So outer if success, middle if success, inner if success. So what is the tax payable?
200.
So what is the basic salary given from keyboard?
10,000.
11,000 minus how much? 200. How much he's going to get? Yeah, he's going to get 10,800. Right. That's how you got. Now see what I'm doing. I'm going to intentionally fail here. So 28 years only he's having experience, just short of 30. So which if is going to fail? Tell me. Which if is going to fail? No. Experience.
Yes.
Inner if is going to fail. Is it not? Innermost if.
Yes.
This is failing. So this is failing means we cannot run this code. This code we cannot run. So it will control will search for inner else. Where is inner else? This is inner else. Is it not? This is outer if. This is outer if. And this is middle if. This is inner if. And inner if failed. So inner else will be executed. So what is the tax for this guy? 11,000. Salary is 11,000. But 11,000 minus 300. How much he is going to get?
10,700.
That's it. That's it. Next case. For example, his age is also lesser, somewhere around 30 years only. Then experience 28 ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది రాదు కదా. We have to change this also. అసలు అక్కడ దాకా వెళ్ళాం కదా. You cannot move up to experience also. Of course, you will type from keyboard, but you won't go there. I say just 5 years of experience. You can type from keyboard, but inner if will not be reached because middle if itself is failing. Is it not? Age is failing or not? Age 30. 30 is greater than 50. False. So if condition failed, where is middle if? Middle else. Here is middle else. Is it not? Right after middle if closing. This is middle if closing. Is it not? Before that, here inner if closed. Is it not? That you have to catch. Now comes middle else. Middle else is right here. This is middle else. So what code is executed? Tax is 500. So 11,000 minus 500. How much he's going to get? That's all. Yes. But this time what I'm doing is his salary itself is 9,000. Then outer if fail. Is it not? This is a failure. Failure or not?
Yes, sir.
So go to outer else. Where is outer else? Here it is. This is outer if closed. Outer if closed. So that you are going to execute outer else. Here is outer else. Is it not? Here is else. This code will be executed. What is that? What is the salary? Net salary is is equal to net salary is equal to basic salary. Is it not? Means how much you will
Yes,
get?
sir.
Means how much you will get? Net salary is equal to basic salary. What is the basic salary? I have given how much?
9,000.
Same 9,000 he will get. No tax, nothing. Because his salary itself is less than 11,000. He will get same amount, no tax for him. Got it? Like this you can try. So I will send you notes up to decision making instructions. You practice up to here. Okay? You take your time, slowly practice all the pending. Lot of pending work is there.
Yes.
Uh, Next Sunday you can practice so many programs. Even of
Yes,
course
sir.
you are in vacation, I think. When
Yes,
your
sir.
college is getting open, by that we'll close C language at least before that. Well, before that we will close.
Dates ఇంకా ఇవ్వలేదు.
ఇవ్వలేదా? అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ ఎప్పుడని చెప్పారు?
సెప్టెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ వీక్.
సెప్టెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ వీక్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆగస్ట్ కదా? ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ ఆగస్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆగస్ట్ కదా, సెప్టెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ వీక్ లో ఉంటుందా? ఓకే ఓకే. మరి అయితే కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళాక అంటే నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు హాస్టల్లో ఉండబోతున్నావు అక్కడ? మరి ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంటుందా హాస్టల్లో? మరి క్లాస్ కి వీలవుతుందా?
ఉంటది సార్.
బయట వినొచ్చంట క్లాసెస్, మరి వినొచ్చా?
సార్.
అట్లయితే ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా ఈ మంత్ అయిపోవస్తుంది కదా, ఇంకా 10 days లో అవ్వదు నీకు. 10 days లో ఇంకా ఎంత నేర్చుకుంటాం? మేబీ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ అయిపోయింది వాళ్ళతోటి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా ఏమున్నాయి చూడు, ఇందులోనే చాలా ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ద థింగ్ ఈస్ దట్ అట్లీస్ట్ 1.5 month టైం తీసుకుంటుంది యాక్చువల్గా. అయితే మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసి 2 weeks అవుతుందా, 3 weeks అవుతుందా? 2 weeks అనుకుంటా కదా. సో ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ స్విచ్ కేస్, రేపు స్విచ్ కేస్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాను. ఆ తర్వాత లూప్స్ అదొక 1 or 2 days, 1 day పడుతుంది లూప్స్ కనీసం 1 day. నెక్స్ట్ జంపింగ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ 1 day, 1 hour. ఇది ఒక 1 hour, అన్ని 1 hour కాన్సెప్ట్స్. 3 hours 2 hours కనీసం పడతాయి మిగతా అవ్వాలంటే. దీని తర్వాత ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది, ఇంకా స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, యారేస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ 1 month, మినిమం 1 month పడుతుంది ఇప్పటి నుంచి. ఓకే, అది. సో నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఈ పాటికి అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. ఓకే.